Sopes.
Sopes.
You're done for, Bobby.
I like sopes.
Bobby, how many times have you made this dish?
Pretty often.
Okay. So what are you making tonight?
Some chorizo and shrimp, some black beans,
A little surf and turf.
some pickled shallots, a little red chili sauce. That's it.
I think it's pretty classic.
I've been cooking Southwestern food for many decades. It takes its direction from ingredients from Mexico. I just love these flavors. So I'm gonna make a straight up red chili sauce. So it's New Mexico red chilies. I'm just gonna let them soften.
Bobby, how you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
I'm feeling good.
So I'm gonna cook some black beans with some aromatics, some garlic, some onions.
I think I want to make up a song about Bobby. You guys want to help me here? Just to kind of crush his spirit a little bit. Bobby, going down today. Laura's gonna beat you with a soap. Bobby, it's going down today. Laura gonna beat you with a soap. Olay!
I think this is gonna come down to the dough and how it was shaped, how it was fried, because the rest of it all sounds like things that would be traditionally found on a sope.
Very true.
So then I'm making the dough for the sope, so it's masa harina and water. I'm gonna use a tortilla press, but I'm not gonna press it all the way flat. It's like the double thickness of a tortilla. Then they go into the cast iron so the tortilla cooks, but like 75%, because I still want it to be pliable so I can crimp the edges.
It looks like Bobby is kind of not going as traditional. It's almost tostada.
Tostadas?
Yeah.
I mean, I like the shape of my sopes, because I don't want them to be too thick. I don't like the mouthfeel of that.
Bobby, how's it going?
Good.
You know, one thing I always tell people about this show is it does feel like kind of a sporting event. We've got the live audience, we've got the head-to-head matchup, and one of my favorite tailgate activities is something called flip cup.
Oh, I agree.
Usually you use beer, but we're gonna go tequila.
Wait, what?
So I'm gonna pour myself a little bit, and then I'm gonna pour you a little bit more.
I love it.
Cheers, ready? Oh, shoot. Woo! Now you gotta keep going. All right. So Bobby, how's it going over here, though?
I got a lot to do.
Yeah, you shouldn't be playing flip cup. You have no time for that.
So the chilies go into the blender, some water, some honey, a little bit of lime juice, salt and pepper, and then I puree the black beans, I season them, and then I'm gonna refry them.
Oh, yes. Bobby, big flames.
The shrimp I'm gonna season with salt, pepper, and New Mexico red chili powder. I like shellfish and chorizo together. I think it works really nicely. Chorizo inherently has a ton of flavor.
Bobby, I'm going down today. Listen, Laura's definitely gonna beat you with her sopes. Hers are very nice looking. Those are a little anemic.
So the black bean puree goes down. I put some of the chorizo and some of the chopped shrimp, red chili sauce, cotija cheese, some pickled shallots, some avocado, some crema.
3, 2, 1.
Happy sope!
Great job. Beautiful.